Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. In this video, we are going to continue with the last rule for electron filling in atomic orbital, which is Hund's rule. Hund's rule states that when electrons are added to the degenerate orbitals, each orbital are filled singly with electron of the same spin first before we pair it with opposite spin. So what you will think about right now, what is degenerate orbitals? So degenerate orbitals are orbitals with same energy. For example, we have only degenerate orbitals for p and d orbital. S orbital doesn't have degenerate orbital because it has only one orientation. So let's try to understand a bit more about degenerate orbitals. For example, we have 3p orbitals because we have 3 orientations here. So this is why you can see either you want to use in terms orbital diagram as a box, or you want to use as a platform here to indicate one of them can be px, one of them can be py, and one of them can be pz. But you cannot state this one as px. You cannot state it is fixed for py, this one. So that is why I use one of them. It can be either whichever box for px or py or pz. Next, if I have d orbitals has 5 orientations, as you see from 5 different shapes that you've learned so far based on previous video. So this is how you want to determine the degenerate orbitals for p and d orbitals. Each of the orbitals based on respective one has the same energy. So let's get back to Hund's rule. We know that it is stated that electrons are added to degenerate orbital. Each orbital are filled singly electron first with the same spin. So if I have this picture, this one is wrong because I have to fill in the second box with singly electron first. This one also wrong because it is filled with opposite spin first. Actually, we have to fill singly electron with the same spin first. Next, we have this one. It is filled with singly electron but opposite spin. Actually, it is also wrong because we have to fill in the single electrons with the same spin first. But we have the last example which is correct. For example, I have 4 electrons. I'm going to fill in this electron first, next, and the next, and the last electron should be in the first room. So we are going to fill in singly electrons with the same spin first, starting from left to right, and after that the leftover will continue with opposite spin left to right as well. So I hope you can understand based on these 4 examples of cases where some of them are wrong, which doesn't obey Hund's rule. Only this one obeys Hund's rule. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!